A 75-meter long train is accelerating uniformly. So it means that if its acceleration is constant, to solve any kind of problem means to find velocity, its position, the time taken, you can apply equations of motion, and moreover, it is starting from rest. So initial velocity along x-axis is 0, and you see this person who is standing 180-meter away from the point from where the train started. So it means if we choose our rectangular coordinate system, so let us say this is a point where the train started. So train started from x0 is equal to 0 meters from this point. And what is the position of the person? Right now it is 180 meter. It means that the train has traveled 180 meters from the reference point. Okay, and in this question what we have to find out is the speed of the last car as it passes the worker. It means that the speed of the train when it will pass. So we can say this is unknown value, but remember, before you find this, you must know what is the value of constant acceleration. So first of all, we will work on this. Okay, and you know the displacement covered, you know the initial position, we know the final velocity, we know the initial velocity as well. So let's use equation. So this equation will work perfectly. Square plus 2a into delta x, which is x minus x0, it is equals to 180 meter. This is 18 square is equal to 0 square plus 2a into 180 minus 0. So you can work on it. 324 is equals to 360a, and a is equals to 324 over 360 should be equals to 0.9 meter per second square. That's a constant value. Now to find this velocity, okay, we have to use either you can use this displacement covered, that is 75 meters. If you use this, we can once again use this equation because we have all the other data available. But now I will say that vx prime square is equals to vx square, which is 18. Now in this case, it is our initial velocity plus acceleration is constant overall into the displacement covered, which is 75 meters. Okay, into 0.9 into 75. So if you want to use this displacement, then that will be 180 plus 75, that will be 225. In that case, your initial velocity will not be 18, that will be 0, because you have selected this point as your initial point where the train was at rest. Okay, so you have both choices. So what is our answer? We can take a square root of this. So that will be 324 plus, it is 135, and final answer is, so that is 21.42 meter per second. So that's our answer, and this is the same speed as of the last car. Okay, because the whole train is moving with the same speed.